Kaken hon Don Bosco Media Network hakastap arpusau tarik risau. Kalapriang burom ya Reverend Padar John Zoziama, Shillong Silesian Provincial, hakajingwan jungo jung u yakinong tre hakanikasi. Ya kajingalang pediang burom lapenlong ha DBMN Studio hakaba u Reverend Padar Michael Makri, Managing Director ula ai kentin pediang sngobha ya uni ukli jong kaseng Silesian ha Shillong Province ubala wan jungo ban ai mensim ya kakenhun DBMN barok away hakani kasngi. U Reverend Padar Michael Makri ula penparu kejing sngongo ya kijing sebun baka seng Silesian kala kersan borba ban kentiu ya kani kalat pathai kubor syaki kenjang ki bahajrong lengba ki kubor ki batai ya kalong briu man briu ka akor ka buram haka imlang salang bat kham tam e ya ka mensim it blay. Ula pen itu ya baro kinong tre ha u provincial. Hakajing kran ai mensim bat jing kentu kan pham u Reverend Padar Provincial ulapan kan mau ya kajing kraw kabor bat jing kordor kilat pathai kubor hakini ki por menta ula ai jing mut daga baong kan mau ban ai bat ban pen priang ya ki kubor ki babha ki badon kajing shisha bat ki ba jiatikna ki ba shio ngau nang ni nang tai ula ongru ki pa ba ki sliang ban yo I bat ban sngap ya ki kubor babha ki ba no shiliang shani shatai ula ajing mudru ban tre kum ka we ka kan hon ka badon ka jing sngo shipara ka ba kloi ban ya tre lang bat ka ba pediang ye ki jing bha bat jing duna mar kliang ula pen slur ya ka kan hon DBMN da ka ba ong ki pat ba ki khmi den ti bon ki khubor ba bha bat ba shisha na ka tim jong phi pen urlong ya kata ka jing sliang bat jing ang nut jong ki pat ba na ki kti jong phi uba OL mar banyang ula ai kajingkran kublai sngongo ya kajing platpor jong u provincial banwan jongo kerpang kum ukpa ya katim hakani kasngi.
And also as we are working together, Don Bosco style of working, this one is this because we have to work together as a team. So Don Bosco insisted so much on this, on collaboration with the lay people. Not only the fathers cannot do, only the brothers cannot do. This way we have lay people like you who are expert and who are also ready to collaborate, ready to work with us, and we are working together as a team, as a family. We are working together. Don Bosco always insisted that family atmosphere, family spirit should be there. So we are colleagues. Yes, we are coming from different places, different villages and different regions. But as we are coming together as a team, we must be able to appreciate one another. We must be able to respect one another, accept each other and work together. And also accepting the other colleagues as our own friends, as our own brothers and sisters, and working together. That is Don Bosco institution. Wherever he started and wherever we are supposed to create that kind of family atmosphere. And so when we feel that we have that, we belong to this one, and we experience that family atmosphere, family environment, and then love and understanding, then we will feel like coming to work also. It will not be anymore a burden to come to work, because it is like my second home, because most of the time maybe I'm working here, most of the time I'm doing my work, and so that is instead of staying at home. So I stay at home only in the evening and then maybe at night, then the whole day maybe I may be working. It is something like our workplace is like a second home. So if you can create family sense of belonging, then we will be happy also. We will happy to work together. We will be able to work together as a team. So I invite you and also encourage you to continue to work together as a team. Feel at home when you are working. Your working place is like your second home here, and together with the fathers to work together for the good of the society, and especially to communicate and to give positive news, and also to influence the minds of the young people in a positive